Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you have little kids, under 3, then a swing set in the backyard would be worth it. They will get enough years of use out of it to justify the cost and work. For older kids, the park works just fine. They also have a swing set, but the kids do so much more on the dome.
Let's help you make your mark.
About 15 to 20 years. In general, swing sets last about 15 to 20 years. However, the life expectancy of a swing set can vary depending on the quality of the material used and the degree of craftsmanship. For example, a poorly made metal swing set will not last as long as a high-quality wooden 1.11 August 2020.
Take our lead.
Professional installation of a new swing set typically ranges between $150 and $500. Most come in prefab kits and take just a few hours to put together. You might pay more if it's a custom piece, the ground needs to be leveled, or you need to pay for a soft surface.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The national average cost to install a playset is $350 to $450. Playset and swing set installation professionals base their pricing on the type of playset, type of base, whether the playset is pre-made or custom-built, landscaping, labor, and permits. 26 August 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.